In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share conversation in Grok 3 voice mode. We're going to keep this simple and clear so you can share a conversation in just a few moments. First, open the Grok website in your web browser. Use the official site and a modern, up-to-date browser for the smoothest experience. A stable internet connection helps the share link generate right away. Next, log into your account. Sign in with the same account where the conversation you want to share lives. Follow your usual sign-in flow, and once you're in, you'll land on the main Grok interface. Whether you're using Grok 3 in voice mode or text mode, the sharing process is the same, so you don't need to change any settings here. Now, make sure you're viewing the conversation you want to share. If it's a recent chat, look in your recent conversations list and select it to open. Take a quick moment to scan through the exchange to confirm it contains exactly what you want others to see. If you used voice mode, remember that Grok keeps a transcript of your voice conversation. That transcript is what will be shared through the link. Double-check that there's nothing private or sensitive in the conversation before you proceed, since anyone with the link will be able to view what you share. When you're ready, click Share. In Grok 3 voice mode, the share control typically appears near the top of the conversation panel or in the conversation header. One click is all it takes. The link is copied automatically to your clipboard. You'll usually see a small confirmation, such as link copied, so you know it worked. From here, you can paste that link wherever you need it, into a chat message, an email, a document, or your notes, using your normal paste shortcut or the right-click paste option. The recipient just opens the link to view the conversation as you saw it. A few quick tips in case you need them. If you don't immediately see the share button, make sure the conversation is active and your window isn't zoomed so far in that interface buttons are hidden. Resizing or scrolling the header can help. If your connection is slow, give it a moment after clicking share so the link can be generated. And as a best practice, always review the conversation content before sharing to protect your privacy and respect others' information. That's it. Open the Grok website, log in, open the conversation you want, and click share to copy the link automatically. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next walkthrough.